2024 STEAM at Home. I'm Sarah and today we're going to be doing one of my favorite science experiments, turning milk into plastic. So for this you'll need some milk, some vinegar, you'll need a bowl, some measuring stuff, as well as a cup and an elastic and some paper towel. You'll also have to use the stove with a pot, so please make sure you have parental supervision to do that part. Parents, please make sure you do this part. So first step, you're gonna put 1 cup of milk in a pot on the stove. And then you're just gonna put it on to medium temperature and wait for it to boil. Once you hear and see the milk bubbling like that, that means it's ready. Please get your parents to carefully turn off the stove. Then parents, please take the pot and carefully pour the milk into a bowl. Please be careful to not touch the sides of the bowl since the milk's going to be pretty hot. So carefully, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the bowl with the milk. So once the vinegar and milk is added in the bowl, you'll just have to wait a few minutes for this science to happen. So what's happening here is milk has a bunch of proteins called casein, and when it's heated up fast enough and an acid such as vinegar is added, it causes these molecules to unfold in a way that they become a chain or a polymer, and this is what creates plastic. And this has actually been used in the past to create things such as buttons and bowls. It's not so common now because of manufacturing costs, but it has been used in the past. You can see these things beginning to form in the bowl. You can take a spoon, just be careful of the pot and bowl if they're still hot, stir it around, and it'll help the science to get to work. So once the mixture resembles this, make sure the bowl is not hot anymore. And you're carefully gonna bring it over to your counter. And then you're gonna set up a filtration. So grab your cup, grab a paper towel, or a coffee filter also works. And you're gonna secure the paper towel around the cup, just like this, with an elastic. So the filtration should look just like that, and then you're going to carefully pour the contents of the bowl through it. So you don't necessarily have to pour all the contents of the bowl through, just however much of the plastic you want to work with. A good amount, you can squeeze out the rest of the substance. You don't have to use the whole bowl if you don't want to, but you can depending how much you want to work with. So then you can take out the stuff that was left in there, and this material here is a type of plastic. So then once you have this extracted, you're able to shape it, and if you leave it long enough, it'll actually harden into whatever shape you make it into. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you had some fun. Please come back Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays to watch our new videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our platforms. Thank you.